Are you a cheater if you sketch from a photograph? That is the question. And the answer varies depending on who you ask. This is going to be a very short video and I have a lot of opinions on this, but I'll keep it to 3. There's a short answer and then there's a long answer. The short answer is easy. It's no. Drawing from photographs is not cheating. I'll say that again. It's not cheating. It just isn't. The long answer though is yes, but I think that's absolute bullshit. What we call urban sketching today comes from a movement started in 2007 by Gabriel Campanario. According to Gabriel, this community is for all sketchers out there who love to draw the cities where they live and they visit. From the window of their homes, from a cafe, at a park, standing by a street corner, always on location, not from photos or memory. Earlier this year at the Urban Sketchers Symposium in New Zealand, Gabriel reiterated, you can't do urban sketching by drawing from photographs because you need to witness a time and a place to draw. He goes on to say, drawing from photographs is an amazing exercise and I don't have anything against it, but it's not urban sketching. Urban sketching is about witnessing a place and a moment in time. This is actually a great keynote and you should watch it on the Urban Sketchers YouTube channel to see the extraordinary history of this movement. Now, I have absolutely no problem with any of that, but I do think there is a case to be made for photographs, especially the ones you take yourself. If you take a photograph on location, you are witnessing a place. You are witnessing a moment in time. You're capturing that energy, the people, the movement. So in that sense, I see absolutely no problem with sketching from photographs. The second reason I think there is a case to be made for photograph is to be able to revisit the locations you've been to. I know when I'm in a new city and I'm sitting down at a cafe, the last thing I want to do is to pull out my sketch pad and fumble a bunch of markers around. I'd rather spend that time with the people that I'm with and just enjoy the place. So in those moments, I take a quick photo capturing that energy, and when I'm back home, I sketch those scenes to relive those places. And lastly, photographs are an accessible way of taking part. There are 2 parts to this. First is the emotional. Art can be a deeply personal expression, and not all of us want to do that in public. I am confident now to know that I suck at sketching, but I am improving. And also, no one cares. But there was a time when I was younger, and I thought drawing and showing others, especially other artists, was absolutely terrifying. I would have never started a YouTube channel where I just sketched in real time and uploaded for anyone to see. The second part to this is physical accessibility. Photographs allow anyone to draw anywhere. Whether physical or economical, there are plenty of reasons people can't travel or experience places other than their homes. Photographs allow us to live vicariously through those who can. And if you're fortunate enough to move, to live, and to visit international destinations, just know there are sketchers out there living vicariously through you. Gabriel was right. Drawing from photographs is an amazing exercise, but it's also a great way to experience, to relive, and to visit a place. So I guess the point of this video is to say, don't get bogged down by definitions or expectations. Just sketch the way you want to. At the end of the day, we all draw for different reasons. Some draw to remember, others draw to relax. Some of us want to capture the energy of being in a place, while others, well, they just want to have fun. So what are your thoughts? Is making urban sketches from photographs cheating?